Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to make a classic chicken salad. It's perfect for this warm weather. First we need to cook the chicken. I'm using bone-in, skin-on chicken breasts. I'm going to cook the chicken in a pressure cooker. You can roast the chicken in the oven, boil it, steam it, cook it any way you like. I'm using the Instant Pot today because I don't want to heat up my whole kitchen since the weather is already hot. I'll add some water to the pot. Splash of apple cider vinegar. And salt. Put the lid on. Turn to sealing. Pressure cook for 15 minutes. While the chicken's cooking, we can prepare the other ingredients. Chop celery into small dice. Put that in a bowl. Next, chop red onion. Put the onion in the bowl. Squeeze lemon juice over the vegetables. Give it a mix and leave it aside until the chicken's cooked. I like to do this so the vegetables don't taste bland. The timer went off. I'll release the pressure. I'll take the chicken out and cool it. The liquid in the pot is very flavorful. You can use that to cook rice or in soups. Take the skin off. When the breasts are cool enough to handle, take the meat off the bone and chop up the chicken into small pieces. I don't like big chunks of chicken in my chicken salad. The chopped chicken can go directly into the bowl with the vegetables. The meat is very juicy and tender. I've chopped up all the chicken. Now I'll add some mustard, salt, ground black pepper, garlic powder. I think I put garlic powder in everything. And mayonnaise. Mix this up, taste, and add more salt or mayonnaise to your liking. I don't like to put too much mayo. Start out with a few tablespoons, mix it all up, and add more if you need to. Although this is a basic and simple chicken salad recipe, it is very flavorful. We cut up the chicken into small pieces. You can see the pieces of chicken, but it's not in big chunks. Some people like to add a little bit of sweet relish to the chicken salad. You could try that if you'd like. Leave this chicken salad in the fridge for a few hours and it'll taste even better. Now I'll make my sandwich. I like to put my chicken salad on some toasted bread. It also tastes really good on toasted English muffins. I like a lot of lettuce on my sandwiches. Add sliced tomato if you'd like. I love pickles with my sandwich. They're tangy and perfect with any sandwich. Cool chicken salad is wonderful in this hot weather, and I hope you give this a try. Share this video and subscribe for more recipes. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.